how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that you will be able to utilize Meta AI. Just simply go to the section of AI which is on the top of all the chats and you would be able to see it. After that, you can simply chat with the AI. In case if you want to utilize Meta AI while chatting with someone and you want to search for anything, just simply put the sign of @ and type Meta AI, and after that you can type anything and AI will answer your query right in that particular group chat or any individual chat. In case if you want to generate any particular image on Meta AI, then just simply type imagine, and this way you can type the prompt, and after that an AI image will be generated using Meta AI. And this is how you would be able to utilize Meta AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.